Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with DeepL if the right option is not working. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepL application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for DeepL, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started with making our translations. We have the settings option for managing the settings, how our application works, and so on. So let's go and take a look at what to do and how to fix the problem if your right option is not working. So basically guys, if this is happening, you want to start by checking the official DeepL status page for service outages. So basically, if services are operational, you want to clear your browser cache and cookies, and if you're using the application, you want to go ahead and reopen it up again to make sure everything is working correctly. But basically guys, once you've cleared your cache and cookies and reopened the application, if still the issue persists, then what you want to do, even if you tried reinstalling the application and all the possible fixes, go into the upper left corner, click on the settings option and scroll down to find the help center. By opening up the help center, you can go ahead and get started contacting customer support, explain what your problem is, what the problem you're having, and they're going to walk you through step by step on how to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.